Hey there! Let me introduce you to an absolute game changer when it comes to building a passive income stream, ChatGPT. And trust me, I won't just be explaining the process, I'll be taking you on a journey, documenting the entire thing in upcoming videos so you can see the results for yourself. So what's this all about? Well, we're using ChatGPT to create digital products that will then sell on Etsy to generate a passive income. It's a simple yet incredibly powerful approach that you're going to love. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with powerful techniques that'll help you find winning products and use ChatGPT to speed up the process. Plus, we're going to get super creative and show you how to design professional-looking digital products on Canva. But wait, there's more! We'll even cover how to open an Etsy shop. And of course, I'll guide you step by step through the process of publishing your products on Etsy the right way. This video is absolutely jam-packed with value, so make sure not to miss a beat. Trust me, you won't want to skip a single part. So, are you ready to take your passive income to the next level with ChatGPT? Let's do this! When it comes to selling digital products on Etsy, it's important to sell something that people want to buy. And most importantly, you should always aim to create unique products that stand out from the competition. And that's where my research techniques come in. There are many ways and tools that will help you find products to sell. However, I have a very simple yet effective way to do the research for free, which is by using this search bar up here. But first, you need to have a clear idea about what you want to create, so I asked the ChatGPT for suggestions. As you can see, we have some broad ideas to pick from, and I know, in fact, that digital planners are always selling very well. So I decided to move on with this type of product. But instead of digital, I'll go with printable. It's time to get more specific and really narrow down our focus by selecting a particular niche and target audience. Once again, I turned to ChatGPT for some help, and as always, it provided some fantastic potential niches and target audiences. As you know, health, wealth, and relationship categories are always in demand. This time around, I went with number 5, the health and fitness niche. And I have to say, I'm really proud of the end product. Keep watching to see how it turned out, and maybe even get some inspiration for your own products. Just to recap, our goal is to create a printable planner that appeals to people looking to improve themselves. Now it's time to dive into research on Etsy to validate our product idea and get a sense of what's already working out there. Let's explore some real-life examples and get inspired to create something truly unique. Start by typing some keywords into the search bar up there. In my case, I'm going to type in something like health and fitness planner. Once you hit enter, you'll be presented with tons of results to browse through. Take your time and check out different listings to see what catches your eye and stands out from the crowd. Okay, so once you find a product, it's time to move on to the next step, analyzing it. There are 2 crucial things you need to look for. First, make sure the product has enough reviews. Second, ensure that it's getting new reviews consistently, because that's a clear sign that it's selling well. Check this out! This product is getting tons of reviews, and they've all been published recently. When you see multiple reviews pop up on the same day, that's a pretty strong indication that the product is selling like hotcakes. Alright, let's analyze this product and see what we can learn from it. First, take a quick glance to get an overall idea of what it includes, how many pages, and what style they've used. Then, dive into the reviews to see what people are loving about it, and just as importantly, what they're not so crazy about. For example, one customer says that the design is easy to use, which tells us that simplicity is key. We don't want to overcomplicate things and make it difficult for our customers to use. On the other hand, another review mentions that lines are too light, that they can barely see them when printed, so we might want to consider creating dark and thick-lined designs. Read as many reviews as you can to gather all the information you need. By the end, you should have a solid list of what customers like and dislike. Knowing what customers don't like is just as important because it gives you an opportunity to improve your product and make it even better. Remember, analyzing what people like and dislike is key to creating something that stands out from the crowd. So I decided to create a 1-page fitness tracker with 3 other pages as a bundle. Now, it's time to bring our vision to life using the powerful tools of ChatGPT and Canva. Get ready to design something amazing! But please, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying the video so far. Now, let me share a little secret with you. Usually, I try to create something similar to my competitor, and it works like a charm. But this time, I'm trying something new with ChatGPT, and it's working wonders. Here's how I did it. The first step I took was to type in the design and layout I wanted to create in ChatGPT, and after several tries and conversations, it generated a detailed layout for me to use as a base. But remember that you don't have to copy it exactly. Use it as a starting point to save time and get inspiration. Once you have a good idea of what you want your end product to look like, head on over to canva.com. Let's dive into the design process. All you have to do is search for your desired design on Canva, and voila! You'll have access to tons of templates that you can customize to your liking. You can move things around, change the colors and fonts, add or remove elements, and so much more. So, after using ChatGPT to generate some design ideas, I spent around an hour on Canva and came up with 4 awesome templates. The first one is a fitness tracker, which is the main focus of my product. And just so you know, I didn't just copy ChatGPT's answer. I put my own spin on it. Then, I also created a measurement tracker, a goals tracker, and a workout log, all in the same style as the fitness tracker. Once you're done downloading the template as a PDF print, it's time to create some eye-catching listing images. I created a main image that shows off all 4 templates, and then created individual images for each, with a brief description generated by ChatGPT. And the best part? It only took me 10 minutes! You should now have your product and listing images ready. This means you're ready to open your Etsy shop and list your first product. Alrighty, let's get your Etsy shop up and running. First, click on Sell on Etsy and fill in some basic info about yourself and your store. Don't forget to include some personal touches that will make your shop stand out. And don't worry if you don't have a product ready to sell just yet. You can list anything for now and delete it later. Welcome to your Etsy dashboard. To get started, let's work on setting up your shop profile. This is where you get to show off your brand and build trust with potential customers. So go ahead and upload a photo and banner, and make sure to add a picture of yourself as the shop owner. People love to see the face behind the product. You can find all the settings you need to manage your store on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on the Listings tab, and then hit Add a Listing. This is where you'll upload the stunning listing images you've created on Canva. If you're feeling fancy, you can even add a video to your listing, but that's totally optional. It's time to nail down the product title. This step is crucial because you want to make sure your title includes keywords that will help potential customers find your product. Take a look at your competitors for inspiration, but don't just copy their title word for word. Awesome! Let's categorize your product. Choose the best category that suits your product. Mine falls under calendars and planners, but don't forget to set your renewal option to automatic and make sure that the product type is set to digital for the ease of access. Then, provide all the details about your product, including its features and benefits, how to use it, and what it includes. Make it sound amazing. To write a great product description, you can use ChatGPT. Once you've gotten that down, it's time to add some tags related to your product, set your price, and quantity. I suggest starting with a low price and increasing it later after you've got some sales under your belt. But hey, it's your store and your call. We're almost there. Now it's time to upload your product, which is the PDF print file that includes all the templates. This is what your customers will download after they purchase it. Once you're done, just click on the Publish button and you're good to go. Woohoo! You did it! Congratulations on successfully listing your first product on Etsy. Now, all you need to do is keep the momentum going by consistently listing new products. The best part is that Etsy takes care of everything else for you, from delivering the product to collecting payments. That's why selling on Etsy, especially digital products, is one of the best ways to build a sustainable, passive income stream, in my opinion. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed with all the information, no worries. Just hit the replay button and take it one step at a time. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and it helps me create more content that you'll find useful. So, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.